all human beings can sing. The human race is a singing race. Human race is a singing race. So if you are a human being, you can sing. So the fact that you are unable to sing today, not you, but many, is because of a dormancy of human faculties, of the singing faculties, and not because you fundamentally are not gifted with the power to sing. I am Anant Vaidyanathan and I am known as India's leading voice expert. When you institutionalize, when you scale up, you do need to have structure. You need to have predictability. You need to have measurability. So it is going to be an extremely difficult task to create an alchemy of structure and essence of education. My role essentially is to revolutionize the way music is taught or art is taught outside the preserve of those who are artistic inheritors. I'm going to be contributing in a very democratized development of the education system. But it is going to be participative. It will grow only when everybody contributes to it, even when students contribute to it, when teachers contribute to it, and of course, great experts and performers contribute to it. When I speak to the directors of RPM, I see there is a common understanding. And that's what excites me. And I'll tell you something, in almost more than a decade of searching for people like them, this is the first time I find that resonance, I find that understanding, I find that intelligence. So what is the kind of partnership that you require? Is something that you understand when you actually see that potential partner in front of you. And that's when I spoke to Ashish Joshi, we had long interactions, then I think I knew and he knew that, okay, this is going to work. What's going to work is the road ahead is going to show itself as we move. We are going to succeed in making some kind of unique contribution. We are going to have a digital auditorium, a virtual auditorium. RTM definitely is going to be an artist launching pad. The one thing I'd like to tell teachers before they come to the class is have an open mind. Be willing to question what you've learned and believed in.
RTM is all about democratizing music learning process. We are the dreamers. We are the people who believe this can happen, and Anand sir has gladly agreed to be the mentor in this muhim. Together, we are starting small right now, but I promise the dream is really, really big.
Glad to see you all in person. So welcome to Mumbai and welcome to RTM.
I mean, itne orientations I have attended, but this is the first musical orientation where we are not introducing like, okay, I'm Surbhi, but we'll be introducing through our voices.
हम सिर्फ सीख रहे थे, हम गा रहे थे, लेकिन अनंत सर ने जब हमारा वर्कशॉप लिया तो हमें पता चला कि हम गा तो रहे हैं, लेकिन हम कैसे गा रहे हैं, किस तरह से हमें गाना है, उसके बारे में पता चला. उन्होंने हमारे अंदर की ही एक ऐसी दुनिया थी जहाँ की लाइट बंद थी, तो उन्होंने वो लाइट चालू करके हमें वहाँ पर अब छोड़ दिया. एक नई दुनिया उन्होंने हमें दिखा दी और अब हमें उस दुनिया को एक्सप्लोर करना है.
Must say it is eye opening for me. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें थी जो मैं नहीं जानती थी, या फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं जानती हूँ, लेकिन वो मेरी सारी जो बिलीव्स थी वो टूट गई और कुछ नया ही बाहर आया.
ऐसा हो लगता है कि बंद कमरे में भी उजाला हो गया, ऐसा लगता है.
एक्सपेक्टेशंस ये थी कि शायद सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग होगी या जो भी है आगे जाके पता लगेगा, लेकिन एज एन आर्टिस्ट बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला.
ये 13 to 14 ईयर्स हो चुका है यहाँ पे सिंगिंग करते करते, लेकिन मुझे किसी ने गाइड नहीं किया कि आपका ये बेसिक ऐसा स से स हो रहा है. तो गुरुजी ने ये टेक्निक भी बताई कि स को ऐसा बोलो, श को ऐसा बोलो.
Whatever I learned in past 3 days was very, very, very enlightening.
एक्चुअली मैंने कभी इस तरह से कभी सोचा नहीं था कि बॉलीवुड को इस तरह से भी आप सिखा सकते हैं.
जितने भी सारे हम यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए ना, सारे अपने आप में एक मास्टर्स हैं, तो सबका साथ वो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है.
उनसे भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. सो आगे का जर्नी के लिए हम बहुत ही मतलब वेट कर रहे हैं.
I really needed a mentor, and Anand ji had so much observation about the music that we even did not imagine anything about it before.
Just want to share that last night when we all sat and we had a gig with each other, तब हमें समझ में आया कि हाँ हमें कुछ चीज़ें छोड़ रहे थे.
आवाज़ से रिलेटेड जितना भी काम है वो आपको इस एक इंस्टीट्यूट में मिलेगा.
सबका ड्रीम है, हम सबका, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो नाउ पार्ट ऑफ RTM फैमिली. ये बहुत जल्दी बहुत ग्रो करने वाला है एंड वी आर रियली हैप्पी एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.
Keep your spirits flying high. You know, it's just the beginning, and we will define together.